Alright, so your Ford Ranger's remote start isn't working, and you're wondering what's going on. Let's break down the most common reasons and how you can fix it, step by step. First, check your key fob battery. If it's weak or dead, the signal might not reach your truck. Just pop open the fob, swap in a fresh battery, and give it another try. Second, make sure your Ranger is actually in park, and that all the doors, hood, and tailgate are completely closed. Remote start won't work if any of those are open or even slightly ajar. Third, look for warning lights on your dashboard. If your check engine light is on or you're low on fuel, the remote start system can shut itself off as a safety precaution. Top off your fuel or scan for error codes if you see a warning. Next, if you've recently had your battery disconnected, your system might need to be reset. Lock and unlock your doors with the fob, then try the remote start again. Finally, remember, extreme cold or hot weather can sometimes affect the electronics, so if nothing works, try starting the truck manually first, and see if everything else is running fine. If you've run through these steps and it's still not working, it's time to call your dealership or a trusted mechanic. Don't worry, most issues are simple fixes. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back on the road.